Hey, sneakerhead, keep in mind, in this video, we are doing a back to school giveaway. We are trying to give back because when you're blessed,
we got to bless others.
make sure that you're subscribed, like this video, and in the comment descriptions, put your size. This shoe will be approximately a $200 giveaway. Most likely it'll be a Jordan 1. Hopefully, if you do have a preference, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That's all you need to do. The deadline for this will be 1 August. Good luck to everyone.
Hey, good luck. Go ahead and take advantage of this because you don't get this too often. We're truly blessed and we want to bless others with a nice pair of J's on their feet.
Hey, welcome back, sneakerheads. How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go on and give us a big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. So right now we're doing something a little bit different. We just did a quick review over the app and found these for you. Let y'all know what are the top Jordans available right now for back to school. In this video, we're going to be focusing on men's and teenage boys. If you want to see our other videos that we already put out for the women's and kids, click that video right there.
Oh, yeah. We got those Jordan 1s, mid all black. Right now, these are available in men's sizes. Asking price for these right now is $125. Hey, that's not a bad price, right? And they are available on hibbetsports.com. Hey, check them out. Hey, right now they do have sizes 12 and below. So they are available. So check them out.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the next shoe, we have the Jordan 5 Aqua. Again, I already got my pair. Go ahead and secure your pair. Those are available in men's sizes. They got a full size run on Hibbett Sports. Comes in at a price point of $200. And they are available, sneakerheads. Go on and get them for back to school.
Also, we got the Jordan 13s, the black Flint. Hey, y'all remember them? Hey, he got game, Ray Allen and Denzel Washington. Yeah. So the black Flint will look something like this, but the colors here, you will find gray, right? You'll find black here, but the 13s are available right now for you. Asking price for those are $200, and sizes that are available, hibbetsports.com, size 10 and below.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that. So moving on to the last shoe on the list, we got the Air Jordan 6 Cool Gray. Just happened to have a pair right here. I already got mine. We're going to get y'all, sneakers head. Again, this is a great shoe for back to school. It does come in that white and gray, available for a price point of $200. Again, on Hibbett Sports, they do have sizes 13 and below. And if you can check on StockX where I got mine, you might find them on the retail. So go ahead and check them out, sneakerhead. Again, this is not a paid promotion, but we will help you and your kids out for back to school.
Hey, if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.